Tax season, we are hearing from a lot of people. You want to know, is there more tax relief on the horizon? So last year brought state issued tax refunds, and now viewers want to know, do we see some more checks on the way? 11 Alive's Jerry Carnes with our Verify team is digging for answers.
Taxpayers in Georgia want their money. Among the emails we've received asking about tax refunds from the state are several from people who claim they never got a check, and one asking if another round of refunds promised by the governor will actually happen. Let's verify. Our sources are the governor's office, the State Department of Revenue, and 11 Alive financial expert Andrew Poulos. The Georgia Department of Revenue tells us that nearly 3 million people in the state who filed their 2020 and 2021 tax returns received a refund. Families got as much as $500 thanks to Georgia's budget surplus. The Revenue Department says they've yet to issue refunds for some taxpayers who were given until the early part of this year to file last year's returns because of Hurricane Ian. However, our tax expert cautions some taxpayers who may think they're owed a check don't actually qualify because, for example, they filed a late return.
And if you do qualify, look through your bank records and make sure that you truly didn't receive it. With the federal stimulus during the pandemic, we had clients who received the money via direct deposit who never really, sort of looked at their bank accounts and didn't realize that they got the money.
As far as another round of checks, the Georgia General Assembly is now considering legislation that could mean more refunds later this year. A spokesperson tells us that Governor Kemp remains committed to a second round of income tax refunds and property tax relief. So we can verify, yes, some people might still be eligible if they've not received a refund, and more refund checks could be on the way if the legislature approves the popular proposal.
If you hear or see something online you want us to verify, send us an email. You can also text verify to the number you see right there on your screen.